Morning, everybody. It's 5:18 in the morning. Yeah, not a lot will happen today, so I thought I'd do this intro right now so that I can start editing my video, which I filmed yesterday. Today we're talking about the Olight S1R Baton. Yeah, not a lot to say. It will be a quiet day and the weather isn't very good. So I hope you're having a great Sunday, and I'll see you soon. Hi everybody, Stefan here from EDC Austria again. I finally have my room for me alone. By the way, this is my room. There are two other beds on this side. Here's my good friend, the 40-year police veteran, who is retired since 1988, so he's 90 years old. Yes, I'm in a 4-bedroom in a private hospital, but because they didn't have any other room, and I'm happy to be alive. This is the Olight S1R. It's a rechargeable flashlight which goes up to 900 lumen. It's from Olight, so it's great quality. That speaks for itself. This one is not available in any special editions. It can just do what it can do, and that's usually enough. Let's start with the modes. You can either just turn it on, then it's in the last mode it was in, or you can double click, then it will go in the highest mode. Did you see the nice fade out? That's a new option from Olight, a new feature. But let's go through the modes. If you keep pressing, it goes in the Firefly mode. That's 0.5 lumens for 15 days. And the regular modes are, so this is low, this is 12 lumens. I'll show you later outside too, which goes for 33 hours. This is 60 lumens. It goes, see how dirty it got here? 60 lumens, that goes for 4.5 hours. And 300 lumen, which goes for 60 minutes. Or you double tap it, and you did see the slight change. Then it goes with 900 lumens for 30 seconds, and then it steps down for another 55 minutes of 300 lumens. Another new possibility you have is, while it's working, a double click, then it stops shortly. That means you set it to a timer of 9 minutes. Do that again. No. Yeah, this was it. And then it's 3 minutes. I'm not sure what good that does. Maybe it's to get children to not use the entire flashlight. I don't know. The whole thing is rated IPX8. That means it can go into water for up to 2 meters without taking any damage. It can fall from 1.5 meters, which is about 5 foot. It's 54 gram or 1.9 ounces heavy, or rather light, as I would call it. It's hard anodized aluminum, the best you can get. And here's the recharging feature. This is the recharger. It's this little tab here, which now lights green. This one is put in my USB port, and if I just come near it, it snaps on, glows red, and that shows that it's currently charging. A really great light. So let's come to the conclusion. Okay, let's come to the conclusion. First, I have to say I forgot to talk about the strobe. Maybe I'll do some insert footage, because you just click it 3 times and it strobes the hell out of your enemy, or at least the one person who approaches you at night, which is much more useful than using a knife or anything, because that could get someone real mad, and if they take that knife from you, then you'd have real trouble. Me from 5 minutes ago obviously didn't know I can edit. 1, 2, 3, and we have a strobe. I will try and show that outside when it's dark. It's already getting dark, as you can see, because I already have some night footage, but I'm not too happy with it anyway, so I'm gonna make a bit of new stuff. And either you already saw that, or it'll come after this addressing the camera stuff, which I'm still pretty new at. Thanks for watching. Here we have the S1R. First with 12 lumens, then with 60. Oh no, this is 12, this is 60, and this is 300. And if I press the turbo button, this is 900 lumens, stretching here a good 100 meters. I hope you can see the difference, but it steps down after 30 seconds back to 300. Have a great day. Well, now I know why they wear sunglasses. I'll just look up and look away, or have the camera like this. Yeah, I think it's worth the 70 euro you pay for it. You get really high quality. The only problem is that you need the proprietary battery, but I'm sure it's not much more expensive than the regular 8 euro you pay for the regular Olight RCR123A. And with the 18650 for the Baton S30R, the price is exactly the same as with the regular one, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. I say buy it, and you'll see in the upcoming night footage that it's really working well. I can highly recommend it. I hope this video was enjoyable for you. If so, please press like, comment if you have something to say, and subscribe if you want to see more reviews, of course, more professional too, once I'm back home and I have a real camera and a real setup. But I'm really glad you guys are watching me. It means the world to me. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.